Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make sausage stuffed green peppers in the Instapot. Very simple. So I start with this little strainer. It closes. Get them for a couple dollars at any store. So you stick that down in there. You're going to take a cup of water, put it at the bottom of the Instapot. That's so we don't have any burning going on. Okay. Take a pound of sausage. The whole recipe will be in my description. So, okay, so I'll beat 2 eggs. Okay, there we go. Lots of spices. So, breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, garlic powder, paprika, and Italian seasoning. Cooked rice, and Worcestershire sauce. There we go. I think we got everything. Okay, so let's put, I'm only going to put half the tomatoes in right now. We'll put the rest in at the end. Okay. Then cheddar cheese. I'm going to put a great big handful of cheddar cheese in there. This goes on at the end after I open up the Instapot. Okay. I'm going to use my hands. A lot easier. Yes, mix this up thoroughly. All the breadcrumbs, the tomatoes. It smells really good. It sounds ridiculous because it's raw, but it really smells good. Okay. Okay. Now once the Instapot stops, you want to use your thermometer and make sure it's at 165. If it's not, you can leave it in there, put the lid back on, and just let it sit for another 2 to 5 minutes. I'll show you that at the end. Okay, so I'm going to take the green pepper. Don't pack it in there, but put a good amount in there. Like, don't push it down. Don't shove it and pack it. Just lay it so it starts falling out of the top. That one in there. Like the Papa Bear, it's so big. Okay. So the green peppers are sitting on the rack. Okay. I didn't shove it in there, I just put it in. Okay, and this is a small onion, which should have went in there. I forgot. I just wanted to show you my handy dandy ninja chopper. So I am going to... Okay, I cut it pretty small because I forgot to put it in there. So I am going to mix it in with my tomatoes. And I'm going to dump this on top of the green peppers. Okay, so now this is going to go over the top. Smells good, looks good. 9 minutes, that's all it'll take. Okay. Going to seal them with the butter. So here we go. So I'm going to put pressure cook, high pressure, 9 minutes. Okay. It says on. That just shows you it's going to start pressurizing. Then after it's pressurized, it'll cook for 9 minutes. So make sure it's sealed, and you're ready to go. Okay, so you can add cheese and just let it melt. You put the lid on or just leave it off and just let it melt, and it's ready to serve. So good.